Hey all, I'm PokeMike and welcome back to another random pack a day. And today's Pokemon is Trubbish. So, is this going to indicate it's going to be a trash pack? Ooh, Paldea Evolved, the newest set. Will this be a hit or a miss? And I'm half thankful that it's a weekday, that it's not tomorrow, that it's the whole week. And, well, 2 days of Trubbish, so I'm guessing a electric, and it's a water. Just wash away the misery. Over to, yeah. So, what will I get today? Dendra, Magnemite, and Lycanroc EX Alt-Art. So, it wasn't a trash pack. Where are we? Let's a sleeve there, and the Paldea Evolved folder being the Alt-Art. Will it be one? So, no. Lycanroc, which is number 241. 241. 241 is right here. So, not moving the picture. And let's see. And the Paldea Evolved pack there. So, thanks for watching, and come back again tomorrow for another video. And that, off the top of my head, Trubbish is only only once. Pokemon are only once in the calendar, so just as a bit quick preview what's coming up. So thanks for watching, and come back again tomorrow for another video.